Hi everyone! Today I wanted to share with you these high-quality self-adhesive non-slip furniture pads by HomeTech Pro. It helps keep your furniture from moving and ensuring floor protection and safety, and it's super useful for my home. I like these specifically because these aren't like any ordinary furniture pads, which can come with major defects and are too small. With HomeTech Pro's pads, these give me the opportunity to put them on bigger items. It's really easy to set up, and the upper surface of these pads has felt material and the lower surface has durable rubber foam material with a non-skid textured layer. Just peel off the white sticker and place it under your furniture footing, and it will act as a buffer, making the job easier when moving things around. It's great to use because you can get a larger contact area and stronger grip without damaging the floor. The package has 20 square shaped pieces and it will grip well onto any standing furniture like your bed, sofa, table, chairs, or even the washing machine. These pads give off a lot of support and will protect your property, and you will definitely save money in the long run. I hope you try these out. Thanks for watching.